Hello dear students, in this video let us learn periodic functions, definition of periodic function and how to find the period of the periodic function and graphical representation of periodic function, etc. Periodic functions. Definition says a function f of x is called a periodic function with the period t if f of x plus t is equal to f of x for all x belongs to R and t greater than 0. That means any function that satisfies this condition, that means f of x is equal to f of x plus t, where t is a constant and is called the period of the function. F of x is equal to f of x plus t for all x and some fixed t is called periodic function. F of x is called periodic function. The smallest positive number t for which this relation holds is called the period of the function f of x. A period is not unique, since if f of x plus t is equal to f of x, then f of x plus 2t is equal to f of x, and then f of x plus 3t is equal to f of x, and so on, isn't it? That is, every integer multiple of a period is again another period. The smallest such t is called the fundamental period of the given function f. See here, sin x, cos x, secant x, cosecant x are all periodic function with the period 2 pi. On the other hand, similarly, tan x and cot x are periodic functions with the period pi. Here f of x is equal to, see here, f of x is equal to sin x. Suppose f of x is equal to sin x. Sin x, this one is sin of x plus 4 pi is equal to sin x. Sin of x plus 6 times of pi is equal to sin x. Sin of x plus 8 times of pi is equal to sin x, and so on. The function as period 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, etc. However, 2 is the least value and therefore the period of f of x is, I hope you are understanding. However, 2 is the least value and therefore the period of f of x. Similarly, cos x is a periodic function with the period 2 pi, and tan x is a periodic function. Tan x and cot x are the periodic functions with the period pi. Every constant function is a periodic function without any fundamental period. Fundamental period is also called as primitive period. That is, f of x plus t is equal to f of x is equal to a constant again. That if t is a period of f of x, then n into t, where n is an integer, is also period of f of x for any integer n. That is, f of x plus nt is equal to f of x. Okay, and this one, a constant function, is a special case. A special case is the constant function. Constant functions. Every constant function is clearly a periodic function with an arbitrary period. It, however, has no fundamental period because its period can be arbitrary, small real number. Because its period can be an arbitrary small real number. Graphs of trigonometric functions. Look at the graph of six trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, cosecant, secant, tangent and cotangent. On the x-axis, are the values of the angles in radians, and y-axis is f of x, the value of the function at each given angle. The function sin x, cos x, cosecant x, secant x, all having a same period 2 pi radians, and tan x and cot x have the period pi radians. Okay, first let us see a sin x graph. Y is equal to f of x, that is equal to sin x. The period of the sin x function y is equal to sin x is 2 pi. See the graph. On the graph, in this graph, see how x and y change. As x increases from 0 to pi by 2, as x increases from 0 to pi by 2, y increases from 0 to 1. As x increases from pi by 2 to pi, y decreases from 1 to 0. As x increases from pi to 3 pi by 2, y continues to decreases from 0 to -1. As x increases from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, y increases from -1 to 0. Similarly, if you plot the graph on the left hand side, whose coordinates are in the interval -2 pi to 0, here also each time we increase or decrease the values of x coordinates by a multiple of 2 pi, the basic sine curve is repeated. The basic sine curve is repeated. Each portion of the graph in an interval 2 pi is one cycle of the sine function. One cycle means here from here to here, one cycle. The function y is equal to sin x is called a periodic function with the period 2 pi because every x in the domain of the sine function, that is sin x is equal to sine of x plus 2 pi. That means the period of the sine function y is equal to sin x is 2 pi. Now let us see the graph of cosine function. As x increases from 0 to pi by 2, y decreases from 1 to 0. As x increases from pi by 2 to pi, y decreases from 0 to -1. As x increases from pi to 3 pi by 2, here y increases from -1 to 0. As x increases from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, y increases from 0 to 1. Each time, see here on the left hand side also, here for example, at the points given above the points whose x coordinates in the interval minus 2 pi to 0, each time we change the values of x coordinates by a multiple of 2 pi, the basic cosine curve is repeated. Each portion of the curve in an interval 2 pi is one cycle. See here, from here to here, one cycle. The graph of the function y is equal to cos x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. because for every x in the domain of the cosine function, cos x is equal to cos of x plus 2 pi. Next, a graph of cosecant function. Graph of cosecant function. The cosecant function defined in terms of sine function. That is cosecant x is equal to 1 by sine x. To draw the graph cosecant function, we can use the reciprocal of the sine function values. The reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of positive number less than 1 is a number greater than 1. The reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1 and the reciprocal of the negative number is greater than minus 1 is a number less than minus 1. Therefore, see here in this graph, period of this function is 2 pi. Next one, secant function. In secant function is defined in terms of cosine function, that is secant x is equal to 1 by cos x. To draw the graph of secant function, we can use the reciprocals of the cosine function values. Now let us see the graph of tangent function. Graph of the tangent function. The values of x are given in the interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. The graph of the tangent function is a curve that increases through the negative values of tan x to 0. Negative values of tan x to 0 and then continues to increase through the positive values at odd multiples of pi by 2. The graph is discontinuous and then repeats the same pattern. Since there is one complete cycle of the curve in the interval x is equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, the period of this curve is pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2, that is pi. The graph shows a vertical line at x is equal to pi by 2 and every values of x that an odd multiple of pi by 2. These lines, vertical lines, these are the, as x approaches to pi by 2 or any odd multiple of pi by 2 from left, y increases and y approaches to infinity. As x approaches pi by 2 or any odd multiple of pi by 2 from the right, y decreases. That is, y approaches negative infinity. Okay, here see here period of this graph is pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2 is pi. Similarly, cot, this one is also period pi. This is the graph of modulus of x with the period 2 pi. Period is pi minus of minus pi, that is plus 2 pi. Now let us see some problems for finding a period of the function. Here we have three problems. First one is sin 3x. Find the period of the function y is equal to f of x. This is equal to sin 3x. Here this is our given function. F of x is equal to sin 3x. Our intention is to find the period. Okay. Here replace x by x plus 2 pi. Replacing x by x plus 2 pi, we will get sin of 3 into x plus 2 pi by 3. Multiplying this 3 here, we will get sin of 3x plus 2 pi into 2 pi by 3. 3 gets cancelled, remaining is 2 pi. Sin of 3x plus 2 pi, that means sin of 2 pi plus theta, that means it is in the first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive according to ASTC rule, and 2 pi is there, therefore 2 pi means trigonometric function remains same, therefore sine, and this one is positive, therefore this is sine 3x. Our given function is sine 3x. After substituting x is equal to x plus 2 pi by 3, then also here sine 3x. That means f of x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to f of x. Therefore, here period of the periodic function is 2 pi by 3. Second problem, find the period for the function of the function sine square 3x. Replace x by x plus 3 by x by x plus pi by 3. After replacing x by x plus pi by 3, we will get this one, sine square of 3 into x plus pi by 3, sine square of 3x plus pi by 3 into 3, here pi. Sine square of 3x plus pi, that means sine square of or sine of 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant sine is negative, isn't it? Sine is negative, 180 is there, therefore sine remains same, therefore minus sine of 3x whole square, minus sine 3x whole square, which is same as sine square 3x, minus sine 3x whole square is equal to sine 3x whole square, that is sine square 3x. Sine square 3x, this is our given f of x, isn't it? Therefore f of x plus, after putting x by x plus pi by 3 also, we will get f of x. That means here period of this periodic function is pi by 3. Find the period for the periodic function cos 3x. For the function cos 3x, here replace x by x plus 2 pi by 3. After replacing x by x plus 2 pi by 3, we have this one, cos of 3x plus 2 pi by 3. Therefore therefore this is equal to cos of 3x plus 2 pi. Cos of 2 pi plus theta, that means first quadrant. In first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive. Here 2 pi is there, therefore trigonometric function remains same, therefore cos 3x. Therefore cos of f of x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal to f of x. Therefore this is a periodic function with the period 2 pi by 3. Dear students, in this video we learnt definition of periodic function, examples with their graphs, and also find how to find the period of the function. Thank you.